Continuing this Vision 4.0 technology for overall national developments, especially for the entrepreneurs when you try to do it. So we created as much as in terms of creating the presentation, debating on technology trends, what we are expecting during 2020. So post COVID-19, we will have the setup of aspirations. That's what we are trying to bring in. And we are keeping as much as very simple because some of the people ask some questions also. Post COVID-19, we'll set up our aspirations, whether we would have to have the reach or our next generation dreams of digital usage. Here I have put that some of the things expected, like these are the things going to go and ensuring that. And recently we can see even the people are trying to get some space where they are getting into the space, and people are more forced towards that. And robots have to enter our homes and trying to help in our personal use also. That's what the big scope is coming in day-to-day life. Today, if you can see post-COVID, the logistics which we are trying to bring in as much as where which is more towards like trying to enable and empower things and trying to create as much as where let us have that entire world moving towards that low cost holidays in the space and trying to create as much as system which enables us to reach to those milestones. So top strategic tech trends predictions for 2020, and again here we are trying to say the technology is more inextricable where part of our world where we are trying to bring as much as towards that speed and reach, which is our infrastructure, where government projects across the remote and rural locations which will also take to the next level, where the technology is classified into intelligent, digital and mesh, where technology is more complicated or tricky used by normal, powerful and experts based on demand and need. Let us make it simple for the common man. Here, some of the questions were asked were saying like how the autonomous things with varying levels are trying to keep it, and why technology is required, and trying to build as much as in terms of capability, coordination, and trying to have intelligence, where the capacity, coordination, and intelligence and self-directed things with varying levels, trying to create that value system so that we can have human assisted and coordinate automation and trying to get isolated, independent, connected and collaborative ways of intelligence which can dump us and trying to create static. Where technology evolves us to interact to create the future. Choice of change with challenge corporate digital to bring us entrepreneurship, and entrepreneurship towards the customer digital is more to do with continuous in terms of content of text and trying to create that context of information. Again, autonomous things which again we are saying like by self-sufficient, self-governing, trying to bring it out how the information which is going to create that governing automatic things where that region and applied. A framework of accessing and trying to create that autonomous things where multiple patterns and intelligence from the source of to destiny, types of patterns like robotic drones and other areas which trying to create that appliances and agents, and platforms like somebody was asking like which areas we can try to take it up, where air, water, sea, etc. can be taken in terms of the applied across all environments, and trying to use the end skills and styles of the end user, which is also again trying to create that capability, coordination and intelligence. Why the transformation, and what material has to try to bring it out, where we are trying to create as much as flipping the interaction models, where a human system again system into human, where human learns to get and trying to get adopt to technology, where technology learns and adopt to human. That's why the question asked by Dipisha also, like saying how artificial intelligence is going to build us, where artificial intelligence is going to align and trying to get to that next level using the kind of feedbacks and facilities which avail so far and trying to take us to the next level. And again, if you are trying to grade as much as the training and stimulation and sales, demo, marketing, visual, workspace, people are asking like what type of visualization we are trying to take, what type of field services which we are trying to use it. So let us see that how we can try to create a day-to-day life of information can be visualized using the data space and align to the interest of omni channels using the multiple collaborations. And again, if you see like how we interact of into the world is also changing. That's what people are asking to say whether it's going to be voice keeping more attention, multiple modulations in our country, district level accents do play a major role, and again artificial intelligence is going to play a major role in terms of regional, and we are going to get that aspiration and trying to create as much as in terms of belief behavior binary business benefits one case to case basis, which is trying to create as much as digital world which is also changing that experience. And expectation, somebody is saying like, are we going to have a job threat? It's not, because we are going to have multi experience and trying to have multi channel, multi modal, and which is nothing but to assist us to bring out as much as multiple experience and multiple channels, which builds us getting the cultural expressions, and cultural expressions can get into mythology expressions. That's what again I'm compressing, where this will result in managed expressions in Indian context. Suppose if you want to know what is cultural expression, we can say music, dance, fashion, food, architecture. To talk about mythology expressions, it's more of story, symbol, ritual, etc. Again, we can bring it to management expressions. We can say value, mission, process, etc. Such things generally, when you bring this multi-channel, multimodal, and multi-experience, the technology is going to create that uniqueness, which is going to have that huge impact, which is going to create multiple expectations. The environment around us is, this is purely as like we are going to use like a computer. It could be virtual, augmented, and mixed reality. It creates us as much as a conversational platform, which could be more of belief, why not measurable. It could be an intent, behavior, how it is measurable. Again, it could be more to do with given task. Again, business, what measurable, it can set to the targets, and trying to immense that pulse, like where we can use it from the end user as a feature. Now it is going to create as much as mesh solutions also to get that undefined experience which is part of the end user. Again, bringing it like how to get that augmented analytics, where people said like that data is going to matter a lot, and data is having enough information which is trying to go closer to them, get engaged, then create an earn to pay model, like bring the value system to the end customer so that he can get best out of it and get that analytics and information which is more closer to them. Here the future analytics is more augmented analytics. We are pushing the boundaries of minds and machines. If you want to break through, look outside your current environment. A key quality to have is to be more authentic, relevant, and more informative. And trying to bring as much as in terms of visual based data, which can create more discovery platforms, and augment analysis, which is more instant, near real time, and trying to have more value system. And the technology will enable us to create that current and future connected and engaged with information. Again, blockchain is one of the global financial chain which is sharing the ledgers. And again, when you try to bring out blockchains, it's more to do with a ledger system which is trying to create so that multiple financial agencies can go through that. It's more authentic and informative, and it is enabling us to reduce from 3 months to 2 days to ensure a particular system which push as much as in terms of data, which where the companies like manufacturers can get the suppliers, and the financials can be carried out faster, and so that they can get into a distinguished technology model which enables a seamless process within the technology. Again, artificial intelligence, maximum exploiting artificial intelligence in development process, create available, Dipisha was more asking like a cloud environment to create a develop, test, support, and release to production using virtual environment on demand and cost effectiveness, which generally creates as much as in artificial intelligence. It's more to have an authentic data which is having image, which is more in terms of speech, conversation, or knowledge, empathy, custom models, and it creates the great connect which gets engaged with the customer, and it gets engaged with the entities, which creates multiple options to do or execute business on time. And again, which it's creating the applying artificial intelligence, which is more into a deployment process. Here we can see that virtual business trying it out as much as into the virtual solution, and even creating that architect where it defines the intern in terms of the information which trying to help us in terms of development. In our case, more outsourced development where people used environments which to create multiple ongoing projects using virtual try to build the business domain expertise versus technology domain expertise. And the technology domain expertise has enough wings to create and trying to enable that so that they get the solutions out of applying artificial intelligence in development process. Now coming into digital twins. in terms of like drive digital business opportunities, enable data to be seamlessly transmitted between the physical and virtual worlds. Digital twin facilitates the means to monitor, understand, and optimize the functions and the physical entities, which generally trying to create more of maintenance and reliability, where every individual area where an entrepreneur can play a different role. Even you take a research and development, it's a big area, and creating new business models create as much as scopes and opens more using digital twin drive, which creates people and places, processing and things. And somebody was asking from Kerala where how the health and IoT is going to play a major role. That this was a great example where enabled data by seamlessly transmitting between the physical and virtual worlds, digital twin facilitate the means to monitor, understand, and optimize the functions of all physical entities. Now comes the empowered edge, which is for more than 2 decades of information which can be populated and try to use multifold, multi-virtual machines consolidate using big containers to have that information which is going to be online and trying to empower it. I'll surely take some questions. People are in between raising the hands. I'll take the questions once it is through. Empowered edge, which again if you see from the remote and local, like what things which we can do part of the technology, which again an enterprise connect and cloud connected or even a cloud architect, how such a centralized cloud use the distributed cloud and try to use the edge cloud. In our case, as a financial services, to keep more authentic, we have the centralized storage with distributed data capture, which has enough information across the country, which is collaborated through multiple omni channels and trying to empower that edge where local, remote, online, offline, only even if you want to isolate on online or a month data or other information with the demand and cost and services, which can be isolated and try to connect and trying to use an enterprise connect, and we can use either remote or local part of the system. Intelligence and more at the edge. Here we are trying to even segregate the type of technology assets which classifying the products and end user assets. For example, users can nowadays bring their own device and trying to use it. So the kind of device which we deployed and the employee or other entity can connect and bring their own both hardware and software and connect using some secure methods, which can be classified here for 1 to 5 years, 3 to 10 years, again from the end user side, again from the central side. And again, this all why we are doing that every service and capabilities extending assets are computed and supported with a different SaaS, PaaS, and the available cloud models by the entrepreneurs. Connecting edge, which again I said like 5G is very important because when you talk about more digital and getting very remote, the kind of faster speed expectation from the last end user, lower latency, greater density, it is an infrastructure expectation, and it's going to change the world when it, you hope it, till the time that whatever it's available and affordable, let us hope for the best. Again, smart spaces. During COVID, we found as much as leading in future will demand rethinking of core assumptions about intersection between people and technology, building the unique smart spaces and trying to work from home, trying to work from different entities, trying to connect and enable technology using connecting different entities. All those areas are going to be part of the smart spaces, and the smart spaces will get extreme towards the maturity model, which again trying to have the isolated systems, connected systems, coordinated systems, intelligent environments where we try to bring in as much as in terms of example, we can have the data next to the corporate or near closer to the consumer who is going to deal and get benefits more. The social world is moving closer to the end customer, and regional and multilingual like taste, interest different to their locations at town level is going to be the expectations, and the smart spaces has that kind of maturity to go towards the end level. Here, the security system, which people were debating to say like how digital ethics and privacy is trying to connect and secure us during such model, which again, which we are trying to invent a better model in terms of human-centered future for people requires a circle of trust, data, and deep experiences. Regulators like GDPR from across other countries are redefining the relationship between people, process, and technology. And surely the digital ethics with privacy as getting matured over a period of time with some sophisticated tools get addressed and trying to build enough information around that. And bringing billions of endpoints or connecting information. Here, this is the challenge where the security in principle has to get localized and trying to create the sentiments and emotions captured and secured, where who you are, where you are, what do you want, and what you think. Kind of like it could be a facial recognition, voice recognition, DNA, all the available prints which spread across and trying to get connected, authenticate, use the GPS system, cell tracking, license plate readers, trying to use that kind of system which is available based on the last mile and trying to connect. So trust is the currency in an era where digital is everywhere. Addressing tech class more to do with the demand models built on trust that go beyond just product level responsibility by the business tech creators and trying to use as much as more on the value system. Move from compliance driven to right from wrong methods. Earlier, we were having as much as more into hierarchy of an intent, where you have the follow the values difference in making the information, trying to create that authentication, create that ethics value proposition, mitigate risk like is a reputation risk or harming others, or intention or digital related privacy policies. Again, more into mind compliance. Are we breaking any rules? Trying to create, or more into that population of 4.5 billion has access, and like maximum people are for more than a day trying to be in the technology and how to ensure that intimacy of tech metrics which will get secured on a going on platform. Again, just to have something else from the entrepreneur model to create what are the quantum computing, where in terms of how in which we introduce the idea that energy and matters exist in individual units. It gains enormous processing power through the ability for bits to be in multiple states, and try to bring as much as in terms of is a mesh technology, trying to have a system which is more to do with a digital mesh as a summary of a digital information privacy and ethics. It is more to do with major areas of compute and concern, set the process policy to handle huge volumes of information and distributed across, which is going to play a major role when full data is trying to get deployed and used. And again, keeping the basics more to do with intelligent digital mesh, we are trying to classify the community where drag and drop of all e-business and trying to create as much as the digital patterns are studied and inbuilt, and bring out that whatever may be the summary of information, but it should have that work from home and trying to create people if is individual and citizens of data scientists. For example, data is captured from as climate update and find people are all on field. Now the products to sell set like how the distance of information which is authentic and trying to help them out more. Again, AI driven more of work from home. Here we are trying to create that understand every individual like what best they can do it. And again, this kind of apps, what are which is going to help us in creating multiple entities, and people can use similar things part of it. Again, automated data science to assist the business users trying to create AI as a human assistance. Again, AI as insight generations, and again AI as a data prevention. This revolves around the options available part of the natural language processing, or creating that algorithms detect schemes, which is part of the systems which is available for us to find the unknown coloration of a car field in seconds. Just a glimpse of and power of such technology when properly deployed and used across the different volumes. Again, share and care model. Again, it's more to do with kind of behavior which we said like will empower all of us to have the next level to be togetherness. And after COVID, sure, such practices will take us to the next level in terms of using the information. Last but not the least, part of my research, I'm trying to create that belief behavior binary business benefits. The future is going to be odd, an ancient proverb with a gold digital support systems. We used to state generally like worship mother, father, teacher, and God. In future, we will use to worship mother, father, teacher, good friendship, and then God, because majority of classifications in human life study on emotions during all the generations were supported and lifted by good friendships, which will build the transformation digitally to all of us for us to set the near future as a good tech friend. So let us believe in that hope, and thanks for your all valuable time. Answers.
No, the really fantastic session, very valuable inputs we get. Definitely very useful for everyone. This this session has cleared the age-old question: should I be an employee or an employer? So definitely the good thing. And we have one good um, poet in Tamil. உள்ளுவதெல்லாம் உயர் உள்ளல் மற்றது தள்ளினும் தள்ளாமை நீத்து is a great Thiruvalluvar is a great poet. He's like you mean it's a for what we say, think big and think huge. So it's today's time to economic self-dependence. It's important that we immovable to the lessons we learn here to herald our country as the next tech startup hub for the world. So I thank you so much, sir, to give the great opportunity for your
It's my
time and
pleasure.
valuable time.
It's my pleasure. And
The video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest video updates.